Mark here with DIY Wise. Today we're going to change the oil in the oil filter on my riding lawnmower. The first thing you're going to want to do is start it up, let it run a little bit, get the oil warm, that way it drains well. Second thing you're going to want to do, take the key out so you don't accidentally start it. Pop open the hood here. You're going to see my oil filter is right here. It's been leaking a little bit, so there's oil and grass and stuff over it. Next thing you're going to want to do is find where your drain plug is. In this particular mower, it is right here on the side. Could be in a little different spot depending on the mower you have, but it'll be easy enough for you to find. You can also find it in your owner's manual. Once you locate your oil drain plug, you're going to want to get yourself an oil pan, something like this, or whatever else you may have, even a gallon container, something just to catch it in. So on this particular oil plug, there's a little pin right there. You gotta push it forward and then pull this off. And then it's as simple as that. Let the oil drain out. In order for it to drain a little quicker, you just pop the oil filter cap. Once this is done draining, we'll go ahead and take the oil filter off. Okay, so my oil filter is right here. There's a couple things in the way. The fuel filter, we're just going to loosen that up. That way I can get to this with a wrench. Just going to wipe this clean a little bit here. Watch that engine's not hot from running it and burn yourself. And I'm going to grab my oil filter wrench. I have an oil filter wrench, a 3-inch extension for my 3/8 drive ratchet. Gonna put this on here and break it loose. It's not that tight. Got it started already. Make sure you got the oil filter pin underneath there to catch it. It's a little warm yet. Grab that with a towel, spin it off. Thing's hot, so make sure you don't burn yourself. You can put some latex gloves on too so you don't get oil all over the place. Got my oil filter, dropping an oil filter pan. Some oil's gonna drip out of there. I'll just put a paper towel there to catch it for a little bit. Okay, we're gonna grab ourselves a clean towel here. Clean the edge of that seal. Make sure there's no debris on it. We're gonna grab our new oil filter here. Make sure you got the right one for your tractor. And then you got this seal right here. You're going to want to put a fresh coat of oil along that so it helps it seal. Just put a little bit on your finger and wipe it right around there. Make sure you got that seal nice and clean. Take, screw that on there, make sure not to cross thread it. Goes on easily. Snug her down. Get her hand tight. By the time you're done changing that oil filter, this should be all drained up. It's pretty much drained. There's a little bit coming out of there, but it's good enough. Get this cap back on there. Just push it in there and twist it back. We got the oil filter hand tightened as snug as we can get it. Got the oil plug back on. Now we're gonna remove the oil filler cap. And you're gonna want to check and see how much oil your mower holds. And you're gonna want to dump it in there and fill it up. All right, we're gonna get a funnel. And we're gonna fill this up. You don't want to overfill it. You just want to make sure you put in exactly how much the manufacturer tells you to put it. and you're checking on the dipstick, you can always leave it short. And it says right there, you can see it says add where it's full. Once we fill it up, stick the oil filler cap back in there, tighten it down, lift it out and check it. And you can't see it because the oil's so clean. Pull it back out, check it. There's plenty enough on there. It's on the right spot on the dipstick. Snug it back up. Make sure your oil plug's on. Your oil filter is snug. Also, after you run it a little bit, make sure you go ahead and check the oil again, because the oil filter will fill up with some oil and it may use a little bit more, so you may need to add some. This is Mark with DIY Wise. Please comment, like, and subscribe.